Good morning, guys. This is Jason again, and we are here in Tashkent in Uzbekistan. And today we'll have a city tour, and we'll be exploring the beauty of Tashkent. And I have with me here Miroj. He is a tour guide here in Tashkent. If you want to visit, you can also contact Miroj here. We'll flash the WhatsApp number of Miroj also. Okay, so it's a sunny morning today, and it's like 30 something, 29 as of now. Maybe later it will be more. So
38.
yes, you see that big flag of Uzbekistan. Alright, see you guys. So guys, our first stop here is in Independence Square here in Tashkent, and you can see the back. These are the list of 250,000 soldiers who fought for Germany and Russia war before, and all of their names are written here. And this place is very massive, and it's so nature, a lot of trees, it's very nice. And ito yung kanilang like yung parang representation to give honor to those soldiers who had fallen. So meron din ito nung nagpunta ako ng Azerbaijan, meron din ganito sila, like fire 24/7. And this is, I'm not really sure what's the name of this person. Wow, it's the first time I've seen this color of these trees. It's like Christmas tree. So nice. Who is that person, or that statue, the lady?
Okay, so she's she's a person
Mhm.
who sent 4 of his sons to the war, Second World War, and none of them they come back. All of them passed away.
Mm.
So that's why they put her monument here. His mother, style is she was waiting his sons. She was waiting his sons. That's why she was very sad. That fire means we never forget those people who
Fallen.
fight. Yeah,
The fallen soldiers.
Yeah,
That
fallen
250,000 soldiers.
Yeah, around like that. Yes.
Okay, guys. I think my question has been answered already by Miroj. So, if you want to travel here, so Miroj is very informative. So, he will going to tell you everything about the place, and we'll explore more on this place. And I haven't showed you the place, yung nasa unahan kanina, yung parang entrance, tapos may mga fountain. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. See you. So guys, ito na yung sinasabi kong mga fountain nila. So pakala pala nitong place na to is Sharaf Rashidov. It is dedicated to that person. He's the president, right? You said he was the president. But this whole place is the Independence Square, because the shape is a square. That's why Independence Square. If it's circle, Independence Circle. So yan ang fountain nila. Ganda. Tapos yung parang sa taas naman, yan ay stork. Stork means for peace, right?
Yes.
It symbolizes peace. Yes.
It's the symbol of peace.
Ganda ng lugar. But today is 22 degrees. 29.
More than 30 now.
30 now.
29,
So-
29, it was in the morning 29. Now,
So kaya medyo siya mainit kasi naka 30 plus na kami ngayon. Okay, so to access this place, if you have a car, you need to park from the other side and you need to use this subway, the tunnel. So this is a metro. Actually, this is for the metro. Going down. Ayan. So madilim na siya. The subway. And this is the metro station here. This is the metro station. So we're taking a metro. This one will put scan. It's okay na? Okay. Alright. So, yun siya. Hindi ko na napakita kasi yung pag-tap nito kasi para kala ko hindi na siya gagana. Kaya hindi ako masyadong video doon. So, going inside the metro. It's not the same as not the same in Russia. Russia is very deep, very deep. So it's
we have
not that much.
only one station is two floor, one station.
Okay. Metro. This is the metro. Ganda ng metro nila, oh. Parang hotel. Very nice. So, gagaling dito yung train. Punta kami doon. Doon sa likod. So, meron din other side. Going to other side of. So, one train arrived. But it's not the train that we will be in. So, ayan. The train looks like the Afrosiob.
Someone first year.
Yeah, because maybe that's the flag.
Afrosiob is
It's coming. Pakaya ko ng train, paparahin ko. Paparahin ko ang train. Sakay ako. Paparahin ko lang. Oh. The train is here. Ito na ang train. Ayan. That's nice. At ang panila dito, respect. Pinaupo siya. Oh. Ang bilis ng train nila. Dating ka agad. Lalambay agad. Ay, hindi. So, just went out. Just one station away. Sinubukan lang namin. Tapos lalabas na naman kami dito sa other side. Nakakatakot kasi ang bilis ng train nila para sa Russia. Tapos ayan, lalabas na naman kami dito. So ito na yung palabas ng metro. Hello, hello. Nag-echo pang boses. Punta ka dito. Ganon din. Sa palabas siya. Diba? So paglabas namin ng metro, ito nang bubungad sa inyo.
256 rooms.
Yung Hotel Uzbekistan was, imagine it was built since 1984 when I was born. So this is now 40 years.
Almost.
Almost 40 years. I'm almost also 40 years old.
Are you single?
Yes.
He's also single.
Ah.
Hotel also single.
Maybe we are a good partner.
Yeah.
It's very nice. So guys, on the other side of the Uzbekistan hotel, this is the statue of Amir Timur. He is the very important person here in Uzbekistan. He's a leader. Yeah. So there, the other side, you can see the Uzbekistan hotel. And this is Amir Timur's statue. Okay guys, itong place pala tinatawag nilang Broadway. Wow, US.
Wow, bar.
So meron dito yung mga coffee shop, shopping and bazaar, food, ano. Ayan. So mas maganda dito pag gabi kasi may mga ilaw-ilaw sila. Pero mamaya kayo punta kami ng Magic City. Ayan. Ganda rin ang lugar nila. Tapos dito sa lugar na to, walang sasakyan. So lakad-lakad lang talaga lahat. Bawal pasok. Nagbibenta ng mga collectible items and souvenirs.
Photos. Portraits.
Yeah, portraits and some shirts.
People.
So may mga collectibles sila ng mga nakaraang mga sigarilyo. Yan o. Lahat ng mga sigarilyo nila. Yan. May mga pera po. Mga lumang pera. Are this real? Or
Yeah, it's a real one.
real money? I
But
thought,
it's not.
I thought it was
usable.
play money.
It's not usable anymore.
Laki ng perang to. Yan, hindi kasya sa wallet. Ganda ng mga shops nila. See? Surya Bukhara. Ito yung mga shops nila dito. Ang cute. Akala ko nga CR to eh. Akala ko mga CR. Mga kampala, tindahan. Mga antique shops. Ito pa. Ang dami niya. Yan ang lugar.